Hello friends, welcome to my channel Secret Point. My name is Milan, and in this video session I am going to explain you about one error which is going to be generally faced by the Java programmers or the Java beginners, those who are new to Java. Okay, actually what is that error is Java C or Java is not recognized as an internal or external command or an operable program or batch file. This is most of the frequently asked question by the beginners. So what is the solution of this error that I am going to explain in this video session. Okay, so basically why you are getting this error is you are going to use the Java C tool provided by Sun Microsystem for compile your Java program, and you are going to use the Java tools which is provided by Sun Microsystem to run your Java program, but you have not set the path, or as of now the operating system is unable to find these two tools to execute or to compile your program. So it is throwing one exception from the operating system side, that is it is not recognized as an internal or external command. It is a error given by the your operating system. Okay, so what you have to do is you need to set the path. Okay, you need to set the path so that operating system can able to identify these two tools and it can able to compile and run your Java program. So as of now I have already done one program to set the path permanently, and in this video session I'm going to tell you how to set the path temporarily. Okay, for this what you have to do is you need to write set path equal to double quote, and within that double quote you need to pass the location of your JDK bin directory. Okay, if you are not setting the path and if you are keeping all your Java files under this JDK bin directory, then no need to set the path. Your operating system can able to recognize and it can able to execute your Java program. But if you are interested to keep your Java files outside this location, outside this directory, then you need to set the path. Okay, copy this location, then go to the console, and inside that double quote you need to paste this value, put a semicolon and press enter. Now write the Java C command. You can see that our path got set here. Now write the Java command. Now you can see that both of Java C and Java path got set, but as of now the path is set, means once you will close the console or the command prompt, the path will be lost. So in order to prevent this you need to set the path permanently. So how you are going to set the path permanently means you need to copy this path. Okay, then go to the properties of your computer, my computer, then go to this advanced system settings tools. Okay, let me open my magnifier so that you can see it clear. Open this advanced system setting. It will open a prompt like system properties, and here you will find one option environment variables. You need to click on that. Here you will find one, you need to create one variable. Okay, user variable. Under this user variable you need to create one new variable, and you need to give one variable name. As of now I have given already one variable name, that is Java, and I have to give the variable value as the path what I was copied. Okay, paste the path and put a semicolon in the end, so that whatever the path further you are going to paste, that will be not create any issue for that. Okay, in order to terminate this path you need to write a semicolon at each and every path ending. Okay, now click on OK, and you can set the JRE path also like this. Here I have given the JRE path, JRE home. This is my JRE location. Actually I need to put the version. Okay, this is already done previously. So this is the way to set the path permanently. By doing this your path will be set permanently and you can able to run your Java programs at any time. No need to get worried. So this is all about this video session. Hope you liked this video. If you liked, then please do subscribe to my channel and keep on sharing with your friends, so that I will get motivated and make more and more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.